Here in Arizona, as our local hospitals start seeing more COVID cases, they're now on the lookout for a criminal threat.
The FBI is warning hospitals nationwide about crippling ransomware attacks. Max Gordon checked in with a local hospital system to see what they're doing to keep their patients and their data safe.
Here at Valleywise Health, they aren't aware of any specific targeted attacks on their hospital system. But the chief information officer says that over the past day, he's been in contact with the FBI and says they're on the lookout for anything suspicious.
So these will come in as phishing, email phishing messages. So they will tend to mask and try to look as if they're a legitimate email.
Several federal agencies say cyber criminals are targeting both the public and private healthcare systems in the U.S. with what's known as TrickBot malware, infiltrating a hospital's computer network and holding electronic medical records for a ransom.
So in the worst case scenario, that system would become unusable. The data would become encrypted and our doctors and nurses and technicians wouldn't be able to access that system.
It comes as hospitals are already strained dealing with the pandemic and as some are trying out new technology to help patients virtually.
There's a whole bunch of things that are happening right now that have created this window for bad guys to be able to exploit.
Cybersecurity expert Aaron Jones says once a bad actor gets a hold of medical records, they can be sold on the dark web.
It's one of the best targets for an individual who wants to make very easy money.
But Valleywise Health says they're doing everything possible to make sure that doesn't happen here.
We have backup systems. We have many other types of systems that will allow us to continue and really maintain the integrity of a patient's data.
Valleywise also has cyber insurance, which handles ransomware attacks. Still, the FBI is recommending that hospital systems don't pay out a ransom, saying it doesn't guarantee they'll get their files back and that it might even embolden the hackers. Max Gordon, Arizona's Family.